Hi guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. So I wanted to get on here because Yes Oh Yes put out a new spoiler, and also they upped the value on the May box. So I did want to get on here and correct all that because the box value was $85. It has now been upped to a box value of $98. And of course, like I said, there is a new spoiler. This is confirmed. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. The value of it is $19. And then, of course, you'll be getting 1 out of 4 different sheet masks. These are the Masquerade sheet masks, so you will be getting 1 of those. And then this one's still unconfirmed, so this one's still a little iffy. It's the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues palettes. Again, this is unconfirmed. They did put this on their Instagram and asked to say yes if you wanted it. So we don't know if that's going to be for May, if it's going to be for a future box. It's still unconfirmed, so we're still waiting on that. So guys, make sure your bell is turned on. That way you are notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. One more thing before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.